all? Yes, okay. Yes, some students' cameras are still off. Switch it on. Mansi Tiwari, Pratyaksh Chaudhary. Riddhima Umar, Samya. Turn your cameras. Aradhya Mani, Arushi Chaurasya. Okay. So, I hope you people have completed all the work. Have you all have completed the work? Okay. Because Monday you have to submit your copies. Okay. So complete all the works. Don't leave it for the last day. Okay. If still some works are not done, complete it. Okay. And write your work neatly. And when you submit your copy should be covered. Okay. The copy should be covered. Yes. And your name should be written on the top, on the cover, and inside the copy also. On the first page also, your name, class, section, roll number, and even you can write your phone numbers also there. Okay. So if the teacher wants to contact you, they can contact you for anything if they find your copy. Okay. So write all these details in your copies. Now we'll start the third chapter, that is Calopaling. Okay. Calopaling, it's a Inuit folk tale. Okay. Folk tale, do you know what is folk tale? You can tell me the meaning of folk tale. Yes, anyone? Meaning of folk tale. Tale means, what is the meaning of tale? Yes, Kashish. Yes, Kashish.
Miss, some old stories.
Some old stories. Okay. Tale means stories, old stories. Okay. Kumar Parth.
Ma'am, old traditional story.
Old traditional stories. Good. Old traditional stories. Okay. So folk tale means some traditional old stories which is being told from generation to generation. Like your grandparents are telling some stories to you. Okay. And those stories you will tell to your grandchildren also. Okay. So they must have heard from their grandparents and parents. Okay. So the stories which is being passed on through generations, that is known as traditional folk tales. Okay. And here we are going to study the story of an Inuit folk tale. Okay. Inuit, you know what is the meaning of Inuit? I-N-U-I-T, Inuit. Prashant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is good morning.
Ma'am, Inuit means Eskimo.
Eskimos, yes, good. Eskimos, good. Okay. People living in northern Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and eastern Siberia. Okay. There, traditionally, they are living by hunting Arctic animals and birds, okay? And by fishing. They are known as Inuits, or we can say Eskimos. Okay. People living in the Arctic region. Okay. That is very cold region. All the time, snow is covered everywhere. Okay. So that is Inuit. Okay. So this story is also of Inuit. Okay. Inuit folk tale it is. Okay. So, and it is just an imaginary story. Okay. It is not the real one. It is an imaginary story that is being told to generations. Okay. So here we study about a monster, and his name is Calopaling. Okay, so the monster's name is here Calopaling, and we will read the story and we will find it out whether the monster is a frightening one. Frightening means the person who can make you afraid or you are afraid of someone. Okay, frightening. Okay, so when we'll read the story, we'll come to know whether the monster is a very frightening monster or a kind one. Okay, so we will read the story and then we'll find it out. Okay, so paragraph wise, I'm going to explain it as I'm doing always. So when I'm reading the paragraph, you will look in your book. Okay, when I'm reading, you also read along with me so that you will know the pronunciation of each word. Okay, because we are not getting chance in as we do in the class, stand up and people are reading. Okay, so everyone at your home, you will also read with me. Okay? Callopalin is a strange being who lives in the northern seas. His body is like that of a man, except that his feet are very large and look like seal skin muffs. His clothing is made of the skins of either ducks, and as their bellies are white and their backs are black, his clothes are spotted all over. He cannot speak, but cries all the time, bee, 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 bee. So here the story says Callopalin. Okay, that is the name of the monster. It is a strange being. Okay, it's a very strange, not normal. Strange means you're not normal. Okay, normal being, and who is living in the northern seas. Okay, northern seas, that is a very cold region. Most of the time, their water is frozen. Okay. And the body of the monster, it is half of the upper part of the body, it is just like a man, except his feet. Okay, his feet is very large. Okay, his feet is very large and look like seal skin muffs. Okay, seal, what is seal? Do you know what is a seal? Yes, Anmol, you have raised your hand. Seal.
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake I've done.
Mistake, why people raise your hand? Lower it. Yes, lower your hand and more. Pragyan, seal.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pragyan.
ma'am, a kind of animal who lives in seas.
A kind of animal.
Lives in seas.
Okay, it's a kind of animal which lives in water. Okay, sea. Okay. So here, the feet of the monster, that look like seal skin. Okay, the skin of the seal. Okay, it is furry. Okay, furry. Skin is furry, and the feet looks like it is made up of seal skin muff. Okay, muff meaning is given here, a tube made of fur or other warm material into which we can place our hands for warmth. Okay, in winters, people use this muffs. Okay, it is just like a tube. Like this is just like a tube where people can insert their hand from both the sides. Okay? From this side, people can insert their hand, and this side also. They can insert their hand to get warm. Okay, when they feel cold, they keep their hands inside it, and it is made up of fur. Okay? So here, the feet of the monster, it was looking just like a muff only. Okay, very furry, and it was looking like a muff. His clothing and the clothes what he was wearing, it was made up of skin of eider ducks. Okay, eider it's a kind of duck. Okay, black and white ducks having soft feathers. Okay, the duck, it is of black and white color, and it has fur on its skin. Okay, so the clothes what he was wearing, it was made up of the skin of the eider ducks, and as their bellies, because eider ducks stomachs are white. Okay, stomach is white and the back is of black color. Okay, so the monster definitely he must have taken the skin of so many eider ducks. Okay, from one duck he cannot make jacket. Okay, So he has taken the skin of many ducks and he must have joined it together and made the jacket. Okay. So the jacket had spots on it. Okay. Black and white. Because the duck stomach is black, white color and the back is black color. Okay. So the jacket what he was wearing, it was of black and white color. Okay. And he cannot speak. The monster cannot speak like us. We human beings are able to speak and talk, express our feelings. But this monster, he cannot speak. Okay? Only he can make some noise that was B, 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 B. Okay? All the time he used to say B, 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 B. You must have seen one cartoon used to come, some Ultra B, I guess. If you have seen, there one character is there, most of the time it is saying B, 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 B. Okay? So same way, this monster also most of the time says B, 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 B. Okay? His jacket has an enormous hood, which is an object of fear to the Inuit. For if a kayak upsets and the boatman is drawn, Kalopalin grabs him and puts him into the hood. Okay? And the monster's jacket, he had an enormous hood. Enormous means, what is the meaning of enormous? Is meaning of enormous is Sana.
Miss Gigantic.
Gigantic, yes.
Miss
Very
Huge.
huge, good. Huge, very large. Okay, it's big in size. Good. Okay. So the monster, he had a very huge hood in his jacket. Hood you all know. Okay. You people are wearing during the winters. Okay. Hoodie you are wearing. A jacket which has a cap attached on it. Understood what is hood? You all are wearing during the winters. Hoodie. Okay. Its meaning is given. A covering for the head and neck with an opening for the face, typically forming part of a cloth or coat or cloak. Okay? So in the jacket, you have that cap attached to it. That is hood. Okay? Is swastika any doubt? Is swastika? Okay. Swastika, any doubt? Your hand is raised. Swastika Dhani, 6E.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming. Other
Ma'am,
students, are you able to hear me? Other students? Everybody is able to hear me? Yes. Okay, then you might have low bandwidth. Okay, low network you must have. That is why you are not able to hear. Other students are able to hear. Okay. So here we have seen that the monster, he had a jacket, and in his jacket he had a very huge hood in it, and that hood was the object of fear among the Inuits, because whenever these Inuits, Eskimos, they used to go for hunting in the ocean, sitting on their kayak. Sometime when strong waves are coming, the kayak goes upside down in the water. Okay, it drowned in the water. Drown means dub jana. Okay? Sometimes it is drowned in the water. So what the Kalopalin does, he used to catch those people and he used to put them in his hood. Okay, and the hood was so big that the person would go inside, would be immersed in it. Okay, you won't be able to come out from the hood. Okay, that is why the Inuits, they were afraid of the large hood of the monster. An old woman and her grandson in the cold North Pole were living alone in a small hut. They had nobody to hunt for them and they were very poor. Once in a while, but not often, someone from their Inuit tribe would on them and brought them seals meat and blubber for their lamb. So in the same place, there was an old lady, okay, and an old woman was living with her grandson. Okay, an old woman was there with her grandson. She was living alone in a small hut. They both were only there. There was no other man in the family. Okay, only the old lady and the small grandson. Okay? And there was no one in the family. No man was there who could go for hunting. I have told in the beginning, Inuits, their profession was to go and hunt the animals for their livelihood. Okay? On the hunting only, when they go for fishing and hunting, and sometimes they used to kill the birds only for their food. Okay, so in the family of the old lady, there was no man who could go and hunt the animals. Okay, so very rarely they were getting food, and they were very poor also. And once in a while means rarely. Okay, very rarely, sometime. And it is not often, not frequently. When people, they took pity on the old lady. Pity means, what is the meaning of pity? Pity means, Divyansh Kumar,
Miss, in Hindi we say Daya.
Daya. Yes, in Hindi we say
Listen.
Daya.
In
Yes, still you are saying something, Divyansh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes,
Feeling of sympathy.
feeling of sympathy, showing sympathy towards someone. Good. Okay. In Hindi we say Daya Dikhana. Okay. This part,
Miss, a feeling of sadness.
feeling of sadness. Okay. Not sadness exactly. Yeah. Pity means to show sympathy towards someone. Okay. Daya Dikhana. Okay. Okay. So sometimes the people from their tribe, okay, from Inuit tribe. Tribe means community. Okay, tribe means community, group of people. Okay, so sometimes some Inuit, they feel pity on the lady. So what they do, they used to bring meat for them, seals meat. Okay, they were eating the seals meat when they go for hunting. They kill seals. Okay, so they used to bring seals meat for the lady and for the boy, and blubber also. What is blubber? Blubber meaning is given here, the fat from the sea mammals like whales and seals used as fuel in lamps. And fat is oil only. Okay? So with the fat, they used to burn the lamps because there were no shops, so that they cannot go and buy kerosene oil to burn the lamp. So they were using the fat of the sea mammals and other animals. Okay? So sometimes some of the villagers, when they find pity for them, they used to bring some meat for the old lady and blubber also, the fat of the sea mammals, so that they can burn the lamp. One day, the boy was so hungry that he cried out loud. His grandmother told him to be quiet, but he cried harder. She became vexed with him and cried out, "Oh, Kalopale, come and take this fretful boy away." Okay. Is what happened, Pragya Rai? How 3 students are there, Pragya Rai and Kashish? Yes. What happened?
Miss, in my laptop, I can't join.
Can't join. Okay, you all are neighbors.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, sit down then. And sit and study. Don't sit and talk there. Pragya and Pragya. Okay. Yes, Prajwal.
Miss, sometime your voice is not coming.
Sometimes voice is not coming. Then maybe beta your network is weak, because here it is all right. All the students are able to hear.
Okay, miss.
Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, I have to ask that what is the meaning of fretful boy away?
I'm still teaching. Okay? I did not reach there. Okay? If somebody's mic is on, switch it off. Okay. So one day it happened that the boy was very hungry. Next paragraph. One day the boy was so hungry that he cried out loud. His grandmother told him to be quiet, but he cried harder. She became vexed with him and cried out, "Oh, Kalopaling, come and take this fretful boy away." Okay? So it happened that one day the boy was very hungry and then he was crying out loudly. He was so hungry that he was continuously crying. And his grandmother tried to comfort him, tried to make him stop. But as she was saying something, the boy was crying more loudly. Okay, continuously he was crying. Then she became vexed. Vexed means, what is the meaning of vexed? It's given here, angry or annoyed. Okay? It happens when you people also cry. Sometimes your parents get angry or annoyed also. Sometimes it happens. You people want something like toy or something, and you people start crying. I want this today itself. Then you people keep on crying, isn't it? Crying or not, you people? Are you people crying? Sometime or not? Nobody is crying. Okay, many of you must be crying for some or the other things and requesting your parents to buy it. Okay, and it happens when parents are not listening, you people are crying more loudly so that you get attention of your parents. Okay, so the same way, the girl also, sorry, the boy, he was crying continuously, and the old lady, she had nothing to give to the boy. She had nothing to feed the boy. Anmol Pandey, I can see you. Okay. So continuously he was crying, and then the old lady, she became very much irritated. Okay? She was irritated, she was annoyed and angry also. And then in anger, she cried out loudly. Okay? She cried, she said that, "Oh, Kalopaling, okay? Oh, that listen, Kalopaling, come and take this fretful boy away." Fretful means, yeah, uneasy, restless. Means the boy was not getting calm and quiet. Continuously was crying loudly. Okay? So the lady got annoyed with that and she said, in anger, sometimes parents say that, okay, better you people go out from here. Like that also they are saying. Okay? When small kids are also trying to make them fear, to make them afraid, we also say. My voice is audible to you all? Some are, yes, not serious. Pragyan, Pragya, Prakhar, continuously disturbing each other. Any problem? Ashish? No problem. I can see you. Okay. Okay, so continuously the boy was crying and the lady was annoyed with that, and she said that the monster should come and take away the kid. We also say to small kids, when the kids are not getting calm and continuously they cry, we say, "Chup ho jao, nahi to bunda waap le jayega." We say, isn't it? Like that we say to make them afraid and so that they would get stop crying. Okay. So this way, like this only the old lady said. Okay. At once the door opened and Kalopaling came hobbling in on his clumsy feet, which were made for swimming and not for walking. He put the boy into the large room in which he was completely hidden. Then the Kalopaling disappeared as suddenly as he had come. So now we'll see that as the old lady said that Kalopaling, come and take the boy away, the same time the door of the hut opened and who came there? The monster Kalopaling. Okay? Kalopaling came there hobbling. Meaning of hobbling? Anyone? Meaning of hobbling. Nilesh.
Miss to move, miss to move in difficult manner.
Yes, to move with difficulty. Good. Moving with difficulty. Okay. The monster was walking with difficulty on his clumsy feet. Okay. Clumsy means here it's the huge feet. The Kalopalling had the feet which was used for swimming. Okay. We have seen in the beginning only he had a very big feet, and that was not good for walking. It was good for swimming. So the monster, when it came in the house, it was hobbling. Means he had difficulty in walking because his feet were meant for swimming, not for walking. Okay. It was meant for walking. It was not meant for walking. He put the boy into the large hood in which he was completely hidden. Okay. Pragya Rai, continuously you three are disturbed. Now camera is off. What is the problem, Pragya Rai? What happened?
Miss, network was.
Network is all right. I can see you continuously. You three are talking. I can see from here. Pay attention and study. Okay, so the monster, he came there hobbling. He was walking with difficulty because his feet were meant for swimming, not for walking. Okay? And he came there and he grabbed the boy. Grabbed means to hold the boy, and then he put him into his hood, okay? The large hood, and the boy was completely hidden inside this hood. The hood was so big that the boy was totally hidden inside it. And the Kalopalling disappeared from there. Okay? Disappeared means, meaning of disappeared. Meaning of disappeared is Tanvi Rao.
Ma'am, not visible.
Not visible. Okay.
Ma'am.
Part
Miss, completely hidden.
completely hidden. Not hidden here. Shreyansh Gupta.
Ma'am, not visible.
He was not visible. Okay. He vanished from there. Okay. It was not seen. Okay. As soon as he entered the house, same way, immediately he disappeared, vanished from the house. Okay. By and by, the Inuit got more seals than usual and gave the grandmother plenty of meat. She was sorry that she had given her grandson away and was more than ever sorry that it was to Kalopalling that she had given him away. She shivered to think of the amount of time he must have to stay in the water with that strange man-like animal. She wept about it and begged the Inuit to help her get him back. Now we'll see that what happens after that. Okay? By and by, it's a phrase which means eventually, means at the end. Okay? Now after some days, the Inuit people, when they were going for hunting, they were getting lots of seals. Okay? More than usual. Usually they get less amount of seals, but now they were getting a good amount. Okay? Extra also they were getting. So they gave more meat to the grandmother. Okay, plenty of meat. Okay, they gave plenty of meat to the grandmother, and she was sorry that she felt very much sorry. She was very much guilty of giving away her grandson to the cow paling. She was feeling sorry because now she had a lot of amount of meat for eating, but she had already given her grandson to the cow paling. Okay? And she was even more guilty that she had given to not any person, but she had given to cow paling. Cow paling is a monster. Okay? And she started shivering. Shivering means shivered. She shivered to think of the amount. Shivered means Samya.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
Miss,
Shivered
I have
means-
to ask, Miss, I have to ask that, Miss, yesterday I sent the PDF of this chapter 3, in that the word meaning and the reference to the context is there. Ma'am, so I have not written the word meaning. I have started from reference to the context so that I can write on the next page the word meaning. Because Miss, I
Okay.
forgot.
Okay, afterwards you can write, no problem.
Okay.
Anyhow, complete the work neatly, okay?
Okay.
Vaishnavi is shivered meaning
Miss, full of sweat, like
full of sweat. Okay. Any other word? Sanskriti, Pandey?
Miss to shake.
To shake, yes, to shake. In Hindi we say kaapna. Okay, shiver means kaapna. Okay, so the old lady, she started shivering to think of the time the grandson had to stay inside the water, because Calopalang was a sea monster. Calopalang was a sea monster, and most of the time he spends his time inside the water. But her grandson was a normal human being. He cannot stay inside the water for long. Okay, so the old lady now, she started shivering of thinking about that how much time the boy had to stay inside the water. Means she was afraid of that what will happen with her grandson, and that also with a strange man-like animal that was a monster, Calopaling. Now she wept. Wept meaning of wept. Prajwal.
Miss, I have to ask that I have not written this scallopalic
Question answer.
question answers. So Miss, I can submit the copy without writing this chapter.
Still 2 days are there. Still 2 days are there. Today I am teaching, so
Miss,
definitely we right now. Yesterday
Miss.
I had published because I had got in another section 6 ABC. That is why I had published.
Miss, but I am not at my home. I'm at my nanny's home.
Nani's home. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
And where is your copy?
Miss, yesterday my father come and took my copies from nanny home.
Okay, no problem. Okay. The rest of the lessons, it will be checked in the second term when it will be submitted in July. Also, again, the copies will be submitted. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Yes, I have asked the meaning of wept. Tanvi Rao.
Weeping.
Weeping is good. Weeping. Wept is a past form of weep only. What is the meaning of weep?
Rona.
Rona. Okay, cry. Okay, crying. Yes. Okay, so here the old lady, she started crying and begged. She begged. Begged means, I told before also, begged meaning. Divyansh.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, when we will submit our copies, then we have to submit our projects also, ma'am, of any other subject.
Yes, assignments also you have to submit.
Miss project. Miss project.
Which project?
Miss in
Sub-
SCPW, Mrs. Debe.
SCPW project?
Yes, Miss. There is a project. So, Miss, she has told, but maybe I have not. Miss, I have only done the half class, so I don't know.
No, SCPW project is not, it won't be submitted now. Okay.
Miss, she said that for it is exam one.
No, before exam, we are collecting that thing, not now. Okay,
So,
now
Miss,
only,
Miss, with copy we have to not submit no the project.
no. For
Okay, ma'am.
SCPW also, there is no copy. Have you made the copy also?
No, Miss, not copy, Miss. That form and all that projects were there.
Okay, not
Miss,
now.
3
Now
models.
only class of copies will be submitted.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sarthak,
Miss, in summer assignment that was 10 lines about gypsy. Till now I have not got. I was searching so much pen all.
so many pictures are available on the net. When you type gypsies and this Vikings, you get photos. For gypsies, you will get some girls and ladies in a group with the bullock carts. That picture you can take. And for Viking, pictures are available of man wearing some armor suit, holding
Viking.
axe. Yes.
Thinking I have written only gypsy, I'm not getting.
Okay, gypsies you'll get. When you'll search on the net, you'll get pictures of girls wearing dress like frock type long gown they are wearing, and with the cards and all. You can take that picture. It's Prashant.
Ma'am, we can write some assignment with pencil.
With pencil,
Yes, ma'am.
not with pencil. With pen you write. Why do you write with pencil? You're in 6 now.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute your mic. Okay, so the lady, she wept, she cried in front of the other villagers, and she begged. Begged meaning I was asking you. People started asking about assignments. Begged meaning. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Miss, to ask someone for something.
Yes, to ask someone for something. In one word, what we can say?
Miss, in Hindi we are saying bheek and that.
Seek. Okay, not exactly seek here. To request something. Okay, request here. Okay. Begging is also that. Begging is there, bheek mangna, but here beg means request. Okay. Okay, so the lady, she started begging, requesting the villagers. She started requesting to the inmates so that they would help to get the boy back to the old lady. She started requesting that somebody should bring her grandson back to her. Okay. So for today, we'll study till here only. Okay. Tomorrow again, we'll continue from the next paragraph. Okay. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can ask now. Already hands are raised. Yes, Suyesh. Suyesh.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning.
Miss, I am asking that the assignment of writing 10 lines on Gypsy and Viking, that I was not getting the lines. Pictures I got, but the lines I can't search, and I don't know also the lines.
You have written about gypsies.
No, Miss, we have to write about Gypsy and Viking 10 lines that I am not getting.
You are not getting on the internet. You are not getting anything about them.
No, Miss, it is not saying the 10 lines.
It won't say 10 lines exactly. It may be in the paragraph. You have to find out some 10 important things about them. That, who are gypsies, who are Vikings, from where they belong, what was their profession, what they used to do, what they used to eat. Like that 10 sentences you have to write. Clear, Suyesh?
Okay, Miss. Thank you,
And
Miss.
don't put backgrounds, because what if people are saying we are not able to see? Still, you have used background, your picture is not clear. Is Anmol Pandey?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have to ask that in the summer assignment when we will do the 10 lines of Gypsy. Ma'am, I'm not getting the lines of 10 lines, that Gypsy.
Everybody is saying same thing. Then how many lines you got?
Ma'am, I'm not getting any line.
Any line. When you search on the internet, you did not get anything about Gypsy.
No, ma'am, I'm seen only the photos.
Photos. You search, when you type on the Google, you click on all. You get about the Gypsies. Some written notes will come. In Wikipedia also you can search, you get about it.
Okay, okay ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And the whole vacation, what the people were doing, not done the work. Now people are searching. Yes, Riddhima, you mute your mic and more. Yes, Riddhima.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Miss, we have to fill the index also.
Index. No need. If you wish, you can write. It is not being checked by the teachers. You can write it for your concern. You can write it. Okay. Nitya.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Miss, in summer assignment, we can draw the Viking and Gypsies.
Yes, you can draw it. It is written in the assignment. Either draw or paste a picture. Okay.
Okay.
Shyansh Gupta, who is here, raise the hand. Just mute your mic. Anmol, lower your hand. Who is this Shyansh Gupta? Hand is raised, but mic option is not coming. Shyansh Gupta. Shyansh, you have to ask something. You want to ask something? Shyansh Gupta. Hand is raised. Is Sarthak saying?
Miss, I've searched again, then only photos we are getting of Gypsy.
You people are clicking on the images. There are icons on the top. Can you search something on
Yes,
the Google?
miss. Yes, miss. I have clicked on all, then also not the 10 lines we are getting. Winking I have got, but this Gypsy I'm not getting.
CT people are not getting. Okay. So whatever I have taught about Gypsies, you write that much only what I can say now. Okay. Is Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have got on Gypsy and we can go from internet.
From internet
Miss,
only.
Miss, I want to show you. Miss, wait a minute.
Some students have got, and I don't understand how others are not getting. Yes, Divyansh.
Yes, miss. Miss, I got, wait a minute. Here. Yes, miss, wait. Miss, on Gypsy I have got 10 lines.
Your video is not coming, Divyansh. I think you have low, weak network. That's why nothing is shown. It is black.
Miss, wait a minute, miss, 1 minute. Miss, now come in.
No, it's nothing is coming. It is full black. Your voice is only coming.
Miss, I don't know what happened. But miss, I have done both 10 lines and draw
Okay.
the figure also.
Okay, very good, Divyansh. See, just now who has asked Sarthak. Divyansh has got already 10 lines. So search, it is there.
Miss, it isn't, Miss, like when we are searching directly, it is not getting, but I have found many times, then only I have got. In paragraph and many images it was there.
Okay, good. So it is in paragraph. You have to take out some important points and you have to write.
Yes, Miss, by own we have to write.
Yes. Pragya Rai.
Yes, these two are the picture of Viking and this case piece.
Yes, you can draw it. No problem.
Miss, we can have a printout.
Yes. But Vikings, I think it's not there. Only the board picture is there. Gypsies, you can take from there. Okay.
Miss, we can draw also.
Yes, you can draw also. Okay, so for today we'll end this class. Shyansh, you have to ask something. You want to ask something? Shyansh Gupta, are you able to hear me? Okay, we'll end this class for today. Tomorrow again we'll continue and complete this lesson. Okay, and question answers are already uploaded. Okay, all question answers are there, so you can complete it. Okay.